So we have this old school BMW M3 in. It's a convertible, which is lovely. Old school, not a problem. Boy, it's had a long life. She's a good car, but she's definitely been used. This M3 has big power, and this is a driver's car, and you can see that the driver has driven this car hard. Oh, come on, these alloys are quite sick, actually, in this gunmetal grey, shall we say? And none of them are curb, so that's a winner, definitely. It's had a lot of aftermarket parts. You've got front and back bumpers, which are aftermarket. You've got all the carbon inside, even down to the stereo. It's all been changed. I'm not gonna lie, this one's gonna be tough, but we'll get it done.
Okay, so Chris is getting it prepared at the moment, just getting it clean, because the car's quite old, got quite a lot of glue, old stuff on it, a bit of tar, so it's taking a little bit longer than usual, but after that we'll get the boot laid and then we're good to go.
Hi, it's Chris from Yiannimize. Me and Amelia are about to wrap the rear of the BMW. After that we've just got the two wings and we're ready to go.
So it was looking a bit tired before, but I'm actually surprised at how well it's come together. It looks nice now. It's looking good.
Okay, so what are we actually dealing with here? We have a 2002 BMW M3. This was the car to have back in the day. I know I wanted one and I still do actually, but yeah, this one is, 338 brake from the 3.2 litre engine, 0 to 60 in 5.1 seconds, and that's just from stock, those figures. Imagine if you was to actually soup it up a little bit and do a few mods. But for now, we're only doing a wrap, so let's see how we're getting on.
So the BMW E46 is complete. It was like a silvery blue color and it is now wrapped in a fantastic gloss red. It looks factory, it looks amazing. It's really brought the car back to life. That is it behind me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have been watching my new show on Dave. It's out every week on a Wednesday, 2 episodes back to back. But for me and that beautiful car, I'll see you soon.